So let's shift gears a bit. How does oral health relate to pregnancy?
So there are a lot of things I think we're learning about that. One thing that we've known for a long time is that periodontal disease or inflammation in the mouth is associated with preterm babies and low birth weight babies. So it's definitely having a big enough systemic effect on your health that it can affect the pregnancy and the baby. It can also affect the mother's health. Like, it's interesting how people who have really healthy gums and maybe you're a great brusher and flosser, all of a sudden you're getting, a big flare up of gingivitis, or you can get certain gross, like pyogenic granulomas or things like that growing on the gums. There is kind of this myth that leaches calcium and every baby you have, you lose one tooth. It's kind of this old wives' tale.
Yeah.
And in dental school, we were always taught, like, that's not true and it's not leaching calcium, etc. But I think we're starting to find it does cause some changes in the mouth that maybe affect saliva or pH or whatever it is. So there might actually be something to it that it does change the health of the mouth a little bit that might make you a little more prone to decay. I would say the other part of it too is just when you're pregnant, so much is changing. Your diet, I remember being so sick I couldn't get out of bed unless I had some saltine crackers, and like, is that the best way to start my morning by eating crackers in bed, or then I'd go to brush my teeth and I would gag and throw up, so there's all these different changes, the foods you're eating, the frequency of eating, your ability to care for yourself. And then when baby comes, I don't know about you, but for me, it was almost worse. Like,
Yeah.
my schedule was all over the place. My routine, you'd be like going 4 days and like, I haven't showered and I hope I brushed my teeth. So
Yeah.
all of that plays in as well.
Absolutely. I thought, and maybe I'm wrong about this, but there's an increase in blood flow to the gums too during pregnancy. Is that right?
I haven't seen information on that, but it makes sense with the extra blood flow just in general. I
Yeah,
would think
I
that would have to
suspect
be
I think that's just
true.
physiologic. Yeah, but
Yes.
that's why I thought my dental health got worse in pregnancy. I was like a perfect dentition before that.
Yeah.
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 Thank you so much. This has been so educational. Where can people find you?
I am on Instagram or TikTok as Dr. Erin Sheffield.
Wonderful. Well, thank you.
Thank you.